set to go. Racing just is started. We have Tisay. Break quickly restart. Running by the real Mr. Tatler. Catalaya Izaria side. Headline comes next, then followed by Show. Until then, next online is Magical Bell, Gio Conti, Her Highness Congregation secondless. While Nobody But You is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader, racing down the backstretch with the quick is striding Catalea on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 8 lengths lead. Tisay in second, Mr. Tatler, headline, Gio Conti, Show and Tell, Her Highness, then comes Magical Bell. Next online is Congregation, while Nobody But You is still racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Catalea now increasing its marker to a double digit. And in second now is Tisay, moving up is Gio Conti. Then down on the inside now is Her Highness, Mr. Tatler, moving up down on the inside now is Headline, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Catalea by about 6 lengths. Tisay remains in second. Gio Conti, Mr. Tatler, Her Highness. Last 100 meters, we have Catalea by about 4 lengths over Tisay, Gio Conti. And nearing the finish line, it's all Catalea. Tisay, Gio Conti, Mr. Tatler, Her Highness, Congregation.
Alright, number 8, Catalea. Ang siyang unang tumawid sa ating finish line. 2, Gio Conti, Mr.